Welcome back to the day two of Introduction to Front End Development. If you're just joining my channel for the first time, my name is Ujunwan Lekeze. And on this channel, you will find content centered around technology, business, and life skills with a touch of inspirational talks. So don't forget to subscribe, like, engage, and share any content you find useful. So stay right with me as we go into the business of the day. As you all know that we are currently holding a free 7-day front-end development training, which includes introduction to HTML, mastering CSS, CSS layers and Flexbox, introduction to JavaScript, functions, event, DOM manipulation, bringing it all together to create interactive web development. So today is going to be day two and it's going to be centered around introduction to CSS. And in this introduction to CSS, we'll be touching text formatting and elements, media images, division and tables, forms and inputs. We're going to be learning the various text formatting elements, how to embed an image to your HTML using divs to structure and tables to display content in rows and columns, designing your input forms to collect data from users, and how to integrate and use CSS to your HTML document. And so here's it. To watch the full video, click on the link in the description box because that's where you'll find day 2 through day 7. Do not forget to subscribe and come back for more and amazing content. See you next time.